Hello and welcome to the test drive review, another review on the Scania R360. Get into the cab, take it for a quick drive, and brake off. Good reliable engine under the hood. Nice sound. Just going to take it for a quick spin. Cab's very nice. Reviewed the inside and outside, and everything else in between on the other video I just did. Go down that way. I'm in Osnabrück, Germany. Not sure I pronounced that right, but can't see a thing out that window. There we go. No traffic. Ideal. Just go up this hill. Got a lot of grunt for it for a small truck. Advise getting one of these if you can afford it, because it's a very decent truck. And personally, I also like Volvo. They're very powerful and reliable. Nothing coming again, I'm lucky with the crossings today. Yes, very smooth, nice to drive. I will be getting 131 soon, so you'll notice all these truck brand names on here will change to the right ones because SCS haven't got licenses for it yet, which is annoying. The only ones that are actually right is Volvo's Valiant. The only ones that are right is Scania and MAN, M-A-N. Yeah, they're the only right ones. I'll nip down the motorway. Should have didn't check if anything was coming there. Get down this way. Yeah, nice turning circle. Very nice to drive. Nice sound. Very quiet in the interior, inside. Oh, bugger. Just forgot to put the lights on. How did I forget that? Yeah, it's very nice inside. Quite good lit without a light mod. Send you some links to some light mods if you want. Probably do it anyway. We'll normally send links. Also, if you go onto channels on my channel, you'll find Squirrel. Check out his channel, look at his videos, subscribe. He's a very good Euro truck and project cars, driving games. He's a very good gamer, so have a look at his channel. Very good. Yeah, I'll just finish off here. But yeah, that was a driving review of the Scania R360. Happy trucking on ETS.